If you watch this video, you will understand zero and first conditionals in English. Hi, I'm Jill, and today I'm going to teach you about conditionals in English. In English, we have 4 conditionals. We have the zero conditional, the first conditional, the second conditional, and the third conditional. All conditionals have 2 parts, the if clause and the main clause. The main clause tells us the result of what happens after the if clause happens. So today I'm going to teach you about the zero and the first conditional. Okay, let's start with the zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about facts, habits, and things that are always true. Both clauses can be used either way round, so you can have if then main, or main then if, and both clauses use the present tense. So let's look at some examples of the zero conditional. If the water reaches 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. If I press this switch, the lights go on. We also use the zero conditional to tell people what to do or to give instructions. So let's look at a couple of examples of that. Oh, a note. When you get home, please take the chicken out of the freezer for dinner. Okay. Chicken. Another note. So let's look now at the first conditional. Where the zero conditional was looking at the present and things that are always true. The first conditional looks at the future and what we think or believe will happen in the future as a result of the if clause. So again, both clauses can be either way round, if and main, or main and if. But this time the if clause has the present tense and the main clause has the future tense with will. Let's look at some examples of the first conditional. If you watch this video, you will understand zero and first conditionals in English. If I eat all these chocolates, I will be sick. Will you wash the dishes if I give you $1?
No.
Will you wash the dishes if I give you $1?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. If you open today's number on the advent calendar, you will get a chocolate. In the first conditional, we can change will to may, might, or could if we're less sure of what the result will be. Let's look at an example. If I open the advent calendar, I think I might get a blue chocolate, or I may get a yellow chocolate, or I could get a purple chocolate, but it's not my turn.
When I open the advent calendar, I think I will get a red chocolate.
So sometimes we can change the same sentence from zero to first conditional. If we're talking about a general situation, we'd use the zero conditional. But if we're talking about a specific situation, we'd use the first conditional. Let's look at an example. Everybody knows it's true. If you sit in the sun for a long time, you get sunburnt. If you sit in the sun for a long time, you will get sunburnt. So everybody knows that if you leave milk out of the fridge, it goes off. If you leave the milk out of the fridge, it will go off. So let's recap. Zero conditional we use to talk about the present, real things that are 100% always true. We use present tense in the if clause, present tense in the main clause. First conditional we use to talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future. So we use the present tense in the if clause and the future tense with will in the main clause. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will be very happy. Remember, if and will are in separate clauses. Don't let them touch. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you understand a little bit more about zero and first conditionals in English. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for lots more English videos, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for lots of motivation and inspiration. Thanks for watching.